This is the same way to change all other Samsung phones or other phones. So let's go. It's true that when you brought it that it's already open. And see, this already told me to change and even the back cover. So that's it. I have to, since it is a battery, we'll just open by the upper side. It's a phone that they have been fixing it for some time. As you can see, there are some screws that are not even there. So let me unscrew the phone. And then this is it. I'll remove this charging circuit, wireless charging circuit. Now we'll remove disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery. Use it for something that is flat and hard. Both. That's it. This is the battery to replace. This is Samsung F8 battery. The battery, new one. Good. So I'll start by placing it like this. Good. The battery. Now we connect the battery. As you can see, well connected. Next thing to do is, before screwing it, let us try and see if it will come up. Good. Wow, that's beautiful. So if it is coming, let us just cover that part back and screw it. It's good that you should look for a battery that can resist. If the customer is satisfied, when he's satisfied, he will come back next time with another problem. He will send another person to you. But if he's not satisfied, he will not come back, and you are the loser. He will not send anybody to you, and you are the loser. So I prefer tell you, as you can see, this is the back cover. Let's put back cover, new one. This is the new one. This is the new one. As you can see. So here is replacing. I will use this. You can see. Good. I'll just apply it around. Apply it around. Apply it around. Apply it around. I'm telling you, this is one of the most simplest, easy things to do in phone repairs. So anytime they tell you that they want to replace a battery, let's go to the shop and look for a better battery. The battery that is good. And then the back. So I'm going to remove this paper, this plastic that is inside. So after I've applied the other gum, let me just place it here. Place it. Place it. That's it. Nice. Place it. This gum here will, when the food will be dry, I will take time and wipe it very well. There's nothing to remain. And see, this is the battery has already been replaced.